Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my room for Christmas. So I'm going to be designing my tree around what I've already got in my bedroom as far as decor. We've got this beauty that we're going to be adding in that matches my bedding. We're going to be using this color, grays, creams, and we'll be using a flocked tree. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel grow and it motivates me to make more videos. Let's get into the decorating. I'm going to show you guys a few of the ornaments that I'm going to be using today. So we've got this one that will bring in the gray for my lamps. This one that's pretty much the same color as my bedspread. And this one is one of my favorites. And again with this one. This one's my favorite. And we've got these magnolia leaves that I'm going to be sticking in there that'll just hang off of a branch. This one here, really pretty. They're all just gorgeous. I'm so excited to get this put together. Some browns. And then some stuff for tree toppers. And I've got this bow put together already just to kind of try it out. I've got the knitted blanket and a knitted pillow on my bed, so I kind of wanted to incorporate that into the tree. So I've got this ribbon here and then some brown and then this really pretty gold color. So I will be incorporating this also in the tree. I'm going to do what I do in all of my videos. I'm going to start with the big ornaments. I usually either start with the big ornaments or the tree topper. This time I'm going to start with the big ornaments. And I've got, I think, 3 of these. I'm going to go in with the tree topper using these. I'm going to need something to stand on. So for the picks, I'm going to be layering these. So I've got this magnolia leaf. I kind of move the branches around a bit. I'll take that off in a minute. And then I've got this berry one that I'm just going to put right on top of that. Then I'll go in with this eucalyptus. Kind of put that to the side. And then I've got these little bells from Hobby Lobby, super cheap. I think they were $2.50. And I'm just going to hang those kind of off to the side also. show you what I'm going to do with these. Now I'm gonna go in with all the smaller ornaments. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's super gloomy outside and I've just been trying so hard to get the lighting right, but it is what it is, I guess. I got this ribbon from Amazon. I'll link that below. I just thought that would look really pretty for these ornaments that I don't have any hooks on. So I'll just wrap those around and tie them. Got these cute little amber glass ornaments, but I don't like the orange. I'm just gonna cut these off and add this same ribbon to the top. Decided I needed to add a little more to this bow right here. Got this gray velvet ribbon that I'm just going to tie some little bows on some of these branches. Okay guys, I'm done decorating. I'm going to get this all cleaned up and then I will show you guys the final tree and also my bedroom and how the colors correlate with each other.
much.